Hello and welcome on this special episode. Have you faced a problem of forgetting your password? So, we have the solution for you tonight. Before we start, I have made a PDF file that contains all the illustration needed for this special session. So, if you want it, it will be found in the description below the video. First of all, before starting, let me make an important notice. This method is not working with all password encryption. So let's know what type of password it works with. Let's go to information. This method can work effectively with protect current sheet, where you cannot copy your data and may lose it forever and cannot copy it to another sheet. Using encrypt with password, we can solve this problem for this video. So please always use the protect current sheet if you forget your password from now and then. And for my advice, write your password in a paper or on your mobile, or even make another copy of your important Excel sheet in another on your mobile device or another computer. So as we see here in this Excel, I can't make any changes. I cannot copy this data. So for large data, it will be a very and a huge problem. So tonight we will illustrate together how to solve this problem. First of all, let's go back to the sheet itself. We have also another problem. We need to show the extension of this file. Of course, Windows 7 and 8 usually the Excel folders that are known extension are not shown. So we are going to PC settings to control panel in order to view folder options. Through folder options, through the view tab, you will find a selection that is by default made is hide extension for known file types. I will uncheck this, tab apply, OK, go back to my file and the extension appear. Of course, I'm using Excel 2019, so the extension is XLSX. You may find different extensions according to your version you're using, especially if you are using a 2003 or 2007 Excel sheet. So first of all, before starting any of my steps, I must make a copy of this Excel sheet, so if any problem happen to the sheet, I won't lose it forever. We will work on the copy, not the original, and we'll make a rename for it. After the dot, which is, we will remove XLXS and type ZIP, which is zip. Of course, he will tell you that this may make damage to your file. I will choose yes. There is some important programs you need to install. First is WinZip or 7-zip program, which is for that work with this extension type. And second is a program for HTML. It's called brackets. We'll know what differ from the normal HTML that we will view, and it's very easy program to use also. Okay, now let's open the copy. First of all, we'll find a couple of folders. We'll must click XL, then click on worksheets. We have naming the tabs of the sheet with different naming, but no naming tags here is it appear only sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So to we must open all the sheets and find which sheet is protected. Of course, I know I have protect 2 sheets and unprotect 1 sheet. So I will open this sheet. Of course, I've installed brackets program, so it will open this window, which is brackets. With brackets, coding is easier. It show me with colorful things, not all black as other normal view of this HTML. Second of all thing, when you find, I will show you what will happen. In order for us to know which code we need to delete, we must make find, type in protection, and it will give me the naming. This is the code I need to delete. By clicking one click on protection, the program will show me the beginning and the end of my code, so I won't delete anything else. All I need is to select this selection that the program had all made for me. So I begin with the bracket, end with the other bracket, and press, begin with the bracket, problem. Problem. Sorry. Have problem with my mouse, sorry. Okay, and then press delete. So we have deleted the first protection for the first sheet. When I close, don't forget to say save, and he will say you do want to modify, or you say yes also. Second important notice for this program that will help me work very effective and quickly is I can open 2 or more sheets. So I will open second sheet, go back to the WinRAR and open the third sheet. As you see, sheet 1 that I already finished and closed is still open. This is sheet 2, and here is this sheet 3. I will start with the second sheet and type in protection also, and as the first sheet I will choose and here I am choosing the protection deleted. Let's go to sheet 3, find, and you will find protection also. So no protection here is found. So let's see, when you type in find, you see no results, so this sheet is not protected. We will close all this and save our changes and say yes. After that, close the WinRAR program. So then I will change the zip again to XLSX, say yes. When I open the program once again, now I can edit normally. Yes, the protection have been completely removed. Now we can type in another password, and please don't forget it this time, so you won't waste your time again. Thanks, that's all for today. Thanks all.